Hi, my name is Dr. Rowena Gomez. I'm an associate professor here at Palo Alto University. My research group is called Depression, Aging, and Neuropsychology Research Group. And if you have an interest in one or in a combination of these areas, you should definitely look at my group to apply. In terms of what my students do, it's very diverse because it's very much student-driven. So I'll just give you an idea of some of the research projects. For some of my students, they're doing a factor analysis of depression, and based on those factors, they're correlating it with neuropsych performance in a veteran sample, but also in a community sample. Another group of students are looking at attitudes towards mental health in minority groups and correlating things such as biculturalism, social support, and seeing how that affects their mental health and their attitudes towards receiving mental health services. Another group of students are focusing on older geriatric schizophrenic patients and looking how social functioning and cognitive functioning among those groups. In terms of my own particular projects, I have a project that collaborates with another research group with Dr. Goldblum, looking at LGB older adults and looking at their mental health, what is their stressors, and how are they receiving the mental health that they need, what is their current level of social support, because it could be different compared to heterosexual older adults. I'm also doing work at Stanford University where I'm looking at, for instance, the neuropsychology of depression, but also correlating things such as cortisol, brain activation using fMRI, and correlating it with healthy versus mood disordered patients on cognitive performance. In terms of student expectations, definitely have to do everything that is stated for a research group, but probably the most interesting thing about my group is that I really want you to think as a principal investigator. So you have to come up with your own idea, and you can either use existing data or collect your own data in order to be very motivated to do this particular project. So other expectations would include being a first author, on posters, paper presentations at national conferences, and you'll definitely have opportunities to write journals. But the other thing that I also look for are personality. Are you able to work with everyone else in the group? Are you willing to collaborate and help each other out to make sure everyone's projects succeed? And the last thing is professional development. In the beginning, middle, and end, throughout your second, third, and fourth year, I help people with practicums, thinking about internships, and making everyone ready, both clinically and research-wise, to go on to internship. So if you're interested in my group, you can definitely contact me. You can sit in my research group meetings, or you can talk to some of my students. Thank you.